Welcome back to Triple X Learnings. Today we have this question: x plus y square is equal to x plus 1 into y minus 1. So what will be the value for x and y? Let's proceed. Before proceeding, I would like to request you, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Let's proceed. Here x plus 1 can be considered as m, this one, and y minus 1 can be considered as n. So here I am just considering, let x plus 1 is equal to m. That implies that x is equal to m minus 1. And we have another one, y minus 1 is equal to n. This implies that y is equal to n plus 1. Now putting this value inside this bracket x plus y, so I'm just putting this one, so it is coming m minus 1 and y is equal to n plus 1, and a square is there, that is equal to x plus 1. So x plus 1 was considered as m and y minus 1 was considered as n. So this one is going to cancel. We have m plus n square, and that is equal to m into n. Now we need to break it down, so this is coming m square plus n square plus 2 m into n, and here we have m into n. Now this is coming into left side, so it is coming m square n square and 2 mn minus mn is equal to 0. Now after calculating this one, we have m square plus n square and mn is equal to 0. Now you are saying that okay, we have m square plus n square and mn is equal to 0. So how we can proceed further? So before going to proceed, I'm just making it a perfect square. How I can get that one? I have to multiply here 2, so that we'll have a m plus n whole square. So just I'm multiplying here by 2 so that I can get a perfect square. If I'm multiplying, then I have to divide it by 2 to balance it, and this one can be write as further 2m square plus 2n square and 2m into n is equal to 0. This is going to on the right side, so 0 into 2 is coming 0 over here, and we have this one 2m square plus 2n square is equal to 2mn, and this one can be write as further m square and n square plus 2m into n, and here m is there, so that is m square and n square is equal to 0 over here. So this is a perfect square, that one I was telling. So here we have m plus n, and this is what is square, and here m square plus n square is equal to 0 over here. So next thing is that if I want to get the value for m and n, so what I have to do, I have to put this one, either this one will be equal to 0, or either this one will be equal to 0, or either this one will be equal to 0. These things are there. Okay, we need to, because all are square positive, so that's why. So here m plus n is equal to 0, or we have m is equal to 0, or we have n is equal to 0. So we had already considered m is equal to okay x plus 1, so x plus 1 is there, so we have x is equal to -1 and n is 0, so n was considered as y minus 1, so we have y equal to 1. So you can see there we have these values. So obviously our answer is what? X is equal to -1 and y is equal to 1. So this is our solution. this one. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.